Hello, so in this video, I want to show you how to invite someone to like your LinkedIn page. So I have navigated to the LinkedIn page here, and you do have to be logged into your account to see this. When you have gotten to this page, scroll on down, and on the right-hand side, you see an opportunity to invite your connect. So you can just click invite, and it will send them a notification for that. Now you are limited, so each month you get 100 credits to do this. So keep that in mind as you're sending out invitations. And it does say credits do not roll over, so keep that in mind as well. Hey, before you go, if you're looking for more social media support, I've got to share our free course, which really is designed to help online business owners reduce that overwhelming feeling and actually create a social media strategy that works for you and your business. And yes, it is all free. You can find it at onlineandrea.com/free, and it walks you through building out a social media strategy that will help move your business forward. Plus, we have some super sweet goodies in there, like done for you posts, templates, and more. So check it out at onlineandrea.com/free. I'll see you there.